Good morning, Coaster Spotters. As always, this is Alex, and we are at Prospertown Lake for construction update number 9 of the Jersey Devil Coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure. A lot of progress has been made in just 3 days. As we can see, the lift hill structure has been completely erected with that weird V-shaped support at the top that will support that 130-foot tall lift hill. There's plenty to see, so let's take the drone over and take a look.
Looking west, first off, let's take a comparison to that concept art. And there it is. And there is that lift hill structurally complete with the supports. Being a Saturday, there were not too many workers on site this day. At most 5. Some work was being done, mainly digging and preparing the foundations for the structure that will go over the storage track area. As far as footers that are unpopulated, there are 6 unpopulated footers still remaining. 3 are for really short supports. 1, I believe, is for the access stairs up to the block breaks, and 1 is right at that turnaround structure. And in the bottom left corner near the dumpster, you can actually see that support pre-assembled, ready to go up. Aside from that support to the left, there were 3 supports underneath the turnaround area. It looks like those are just supports to tie the structure together that won't be bolted directly to a footer. And the last remaining support that's unpopulated is for the base of the lift hill. As we can see, progress has continued on the exit ramp footers. I'm pretty sure that's the exit ramp footers because of how the station footers are set up. In the bottom right corner, you can see the guys working in that trench there for the foundation for the storage track building. No more track has been moved over to the site, although from the photos I took during flight, which you can see on my Instagram or Twitter page, link in the description below, I could see that there was another flatbed ready to bring more track over, and I believe all the station and storage track might have arrived finally, as I was unable to see it in photos from previous flights. And the final view looking west with the cloud cover, we actually had a pretty good exposure this time. Of course, still flying exclusively over water in that little pocket between Nitro and Congo Rapids of water. Well, that's it from the air. Hopefully on our next update we will see track installed. But as we all know, with everything that's going around the world, restrictions on who can work, who can go out, all that stuff is changing daily. So until those restrictions are not limiting me to do these updates, I will continue to do them, but I'm pretty sure at some point that will end. Alright guys, wash your hands. Together we can overcome this. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.